How to use the on-screen power button or power key on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now, tap on assistant menu. At the top here, if it is turned off, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. So here I will switch it off. You can see once it's off, just tap on it to turn it on. And when you turn on the assistant menu, it will show the assistant menu icon. Tap on this icon, then tap on screen off. This is the power button, similar to pressing the side button right here. So tap on it once, that will turn off the screen. And if you touch and hold onto that, that will open up your turn off menu depending on what you assign to your long press on the side button. It is very similar to being long press on the side button right here. Now there is also another menu item, which is the power off menu. So if you tap on that, that will bring up the power off menu. So if you assign Bixby to the side button, so here side button. So if I assign press and hold to wake Bixby, then I can press and hold on the screen off button. That will open up Bixby. So it simulates what you actually do with your power button or the side button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.